Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter. I just wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults and simply tap on it. Then tap on Restore, and as you can see we just got back automatically to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.